Yes, I love.
Benzo, I think he's fake. Oh, yeah, Baba.
We are sure.
Now we don't went into phone. Obi a buy, we see citizen no Uniska. Now for free, every abutriban airport. Before it's bureau.
First bureau.
Yet what's not come, Edward Crum first bureau. Yet what's not fear. Emma would be any day. As some mouse got only says you are savage in 300 cities.
You mean to say no, Udo dog and Odi Shami, and your pay.
Nasa was what domain?
Me don't
domain now was spending music on me why a big deal.
Let me 70 million and make Debbie.
Only be.
Debbie.
And your way. Big soy. Corner when go when you must.
There we go. Listen. Alright, so this is your first pay, alright? All you have to do is keep quiet. Just keep your mouth shut. The more that I make money, the more that you make money, alright?
But you need to change. They are my people.
Stick to the plan.
La hustle, yes, I love. Sikeye boni senkwana mekwa gevin yebiya. Sikeye chane senkwana mekwa gevin yebiya. Mameje, babeje, bimbwa miona moye motemeze. Mameje, babeje, bimbwa miono yedi mwayo. So me near down for the break up be as my sweat I'm so la hustle yes I love yes I love la hustle yes I love yes I love la hustle yes I love yes I
Adwene. Who timi ye name bi mentiase o. Adena store wo ho. Wo ye name ekura de akini saa ba se ye ntobi.
Abeto, mami kan kiro. Bible class o te fa kwa te wa de so. Adwuma no mabie nipa se na twam o. Ena ade no ye niska ye bebo ho advert. Ukoyi o TV suso obi mla no mehwe. Ana so obi behwe no wa ba beto. Ya advert ye betima abo ane se ye de be name obi hu na ye ne fe no oto next time ni a chance o pe bia wo mla ya so ye ahani ya advert ye betima abo ene
Wo de enko nya ibi Akabenezer clothing. Nice one.
Akabenezer clothing.
Hello sweetie.
Hello. Where mema?
Why?
Come up. Come on.
Akabenezer clothing.
Akabenezer clothing. Oh, Emma. Over to say. Media minimum warfare. Akabenezer clothing.
Where for power?
Sir, I'm a minchaman.
You're fast.
Me trash and an easy. Akabenezer clothing.
Patch on me for where
Way. Oh, Madam Shisham.
Patch away
70 Ghana. Shisham.
Oh, sir.
Oh, me na me catch all Miss Benum. Nipa bebre aja for re. Oh, me a producing and tadiasa. Sama motion mina. Sequence for ya. Me here na Tony.
Oh, patch away and me pay for now.
Where?
For now.
Oh, okay. Oh, me who dear me find your crowd. There 70 Ghana.
Patch on me pay.
What dear fa?
Hey!
Fa.
Me fa.
Oh, fa. I am a fa.
Oh, Midas.
Oh, you need pa.
Midasi.
Why? A bubble, only problem.
Midasi.
Why?
Midasi.
Now I am frozen.
But I friend me a rama.
A rama. Oh, where me papa.
Midasi.
Nothing.
Me wore a tray higher.
Sir. Now, many on my set. If you me point ma, I come no wedding go.
And your problem.
Midasi, so say when I'm home with her. Yeah, dear Juma, yes, one Malawi. What I say? Okay. The last number 62. Timedas and Millimef. Why? Yes, why? I'm audio part. I have the only problem.
Martin,
Madras, so come on.
yo, Martin. Bye-bye.
I drink a sea. What for Bema? What for? Who go near the actual one? I am quite.
Yeah, what could you know, son, and the embassy?
Ah, dear, I'm not going to him.
Oh, to one again, a number. Huh?
When you again, or Tony, man. Tete. Now, fresh gateway or to at the enemy. Memphis or ye baby, no so ye back up. I am sending this and also meeting the rama. I'm so nice name, not 10 or so.
I also know the Ushagi or Kuya Wopel.
Oh, now what the number cram?
What didn't want a number one?
What the number, mammy? What the number?
Master made a make catch or who sama make a book of Bruna. Me no problem between me
Only a problem in now.
You may catch on at Yasia.
Made a channel.
I the no day, master now, old number. I gave you chance it is
fun, me fun.
Okay. Me never say. Me come on, I'm seeing 7 fire and I'm ready and you're Banju, BBI okay?
I mean, I'm cool. I'm having fun. It's all fun. I mean, sorted.
Okay, and yeah, Murray, and yeah, me cool.
With your boss, Pacho, on Sansika.
Okay.
Better, Mr. What baby, Mr. Mammy Brenna, your mum same hokaka. We crown my emergency senka, me pesenke having meeting and casa. But who are here, Mr. Benzo, Haidi? Yeah, me pese ye discussion kakra. Answer no ba beba no. Me kan say me no di nkomo kakra.
Yeah.
You told me he was an investor.
Yes.
Or ba disika ba be share adwuma yim. Oba ye mre twemu kakra mre kwa so na ekonanim. E na ma me wei, o china ma me wei. But ayenti a ode ba ye e ba betena afi ha na nkasa de ye ne honhon hore. Sika ode ba be share adwuma nim no eno so e maaye. Oh, hey, boss, Miss Row. Missy Bissamame, Mr. Benzo. I said, a dear na warrior afa Sikana or the barber shed a Jumanim. And I said, Nebota yentia or the Tifihan.
Okay, you are right.
You know, sometimes y'all gotta relax. Y'all gotta take your time sometimes. I mean, I came from America with a lot of money to do business with you. You know? I can't be walking around with money everywhere like that. You know, that's why I put them in my banks. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, this morning I went 8 banks. I went 8 banks. All will have a network problem. Right, Momo, right? You were there, right? When we were going to the bank, right? This morning, right?
Oh, yes.
We went to the bank, right?
We went to the bank together.
She was there. 8 banks. I was with her. I was trying to do some transaction, you know. And the way my account is set, I got to send money from my business to my, you know, my service. Then I got to move it to my another business and down to my service. Then I can bring it out. But, you know, it's a whole lot of stress.
You went to 8 banks?
8 banks.
And all the 8 banks has what?
You
network problem?
Everywhere. I think Ghana has a problem itself.
All the 8 banks has problem?
Not working.
Wow.
You know, I'm having network problem on my phone too.
What do Mr. Dear not come a person mechanic say? If Seska would ever say, do money more Maya, Mr. Yikakrato.
Listen, I came with ATM card. I can't be using the boot like that. You know, I got money.
Fakakrato, one would be didi. Maybe I won't hear BB out of it.
Candy. Let's give him time. Don't worry.
Boss, Mr. And I'm a person Michelle say.
Don't worry.
Listen, I'm gonna sort you out, all right? Okay. I'm gonna send you some money real soon, all right?
Okay.
All right? Yeah, man, that's all right. Take care of yourself, all right? Yeah. See, the old man understands me. I don't know why you can't understand me. Yeah, what? I came with credit card. I can't use them. I can't even use the ATM booths. I mean, it's network problem everywhere. Right? You were there this morning, right? Mo, you know what I'm saying? You were.
Hello?
You leaving?
Yes.
Oh my God. Everybody's leaving because I don't have money. Wow. This is because I don't have money. That's crazy. It's not my fault. I can't use my ATM out here. Candy, can I get some loan?
Yeah.
Nana Pani,
Yeah. No problem. Some year I was a member and my family when my tata elana, no,
Who did you?
Yeah, crack. Oh, by Tata, dear, Miss Shedda call home a men coming in Palm coach at your home school.
And to our home masters.
The Pierre go born degree. It started in 1982. Yeah.
Ay, Kalano. You are saying to mention.
Ah, why that? What did I say? Shadow Church. Jai dear old church, only one a wee. One why?
Grandma, what me how clock? Sisia no flag.
Girl, no free her call yenche. Ah, now what's a better working?
Oh, dear, open who never sends any new boy. She'll be sans architect.
Ah, what me approaching on Nenakasa?
Miss, yes, so be say, my check. It can't tune out you my private.
That is all what to Nagin.
Not to now.
No, never by a 2 of my dream. Yes, I'm now.
You know, I'm a friend.
Woo, Fregan or Beba.
Jai,
the old church and Jai. Sure. Oh, now why pretty no? Why pretty no?
My approaching is
Say, approaching just I said,
my approaching.
Yeah, that's it.
In fish.
Make up the could try man, woman could you try my friend me.
Oh,
my friend, Miss
I will find wolf for one.
I'm crying for them, food them. I'm crying for me. Yeah. Madam, are they come? Are they come? Are they come? Yeah. Ibi chata your boy. Ibi chata your boy.
Sir. When you have been here, my mentor and can you?
Oh, I'll go catch him. I'll go catch him. I'll finish the woman.
One my whole times. I deal with you, man. Oh, me will boutique. Me another business. What I say? No surprise. I will be funny. I will make the call. Yeah. Now so yeah, you baby.
Oh, me dear say I think I'm a school, and I'm a person me be a spa.
Spa.
Yes. My tutor new man be at work. Now so a cash shop mini container. I think I make you container.
Container, there no problem. Container, you bet my fine it. You bet my container and you want that. Any problem?
Oh, container ni paid. Yeah.
And you bet.
Into baby ama. Into baby ama.
Container. Oh,
really?
I see you come here. Didn't be a no.
5 containers. Wow, 5. Beautiful. It's a 40 feet. Okay. You know what? Just take the stuff out and throw the containers away. Throw them away. Yeah. No. I can't keep it. Right. Yeah. So just get the stuff out of the containers and just throw the containers away. Take them back to America. I've been waiting for a call, Mr. Danny. All right. Thank you for calling. Oh my goodness.
Hello.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry for disturbing.
Okay.
I hear you saying you have a lot of containers.
Yeah.
You want to
you know.
throw it away.
Yeah, I always do that. I always throw containers so I don't keep them.
Yeah.
As soon as I take my stuff out, I just throw them away.
Oh.
Yeah.
Please, right now I need containers. So.
You want a container?
Yeah, I need containers.
What you gonna use it for?
Oh, for spa business. Yeah.
You know what? I can spare one for you. You know, just
Okay.
gotta call me and I'll meet me up and I'll give it to you. All right?
Okay.
You got a cell phone with you?
Yeah, let me take it.
All right. Has your phone?
Yeah, that's my phone.
Okay, it's a very bad phone. All right, just call me, all right?
I'll call you.
Call me.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. I told them to throw the containers away. I don't need them.
For this life we day, my party you for use your mind. Use your head, use your hands, and use your time. Cause bear man is no be say about your size. Ebusia krabe jojo when no here is your cry. La hustle, yes alawo, eh. La hustle, yes alawo. La hustle, yes alawo, eh. La hustle, yes alawo. I saw them cross again in the chairman. We girl sugar daddy fear now, oh, your tenant. My major, Papa, or Bimbo, me or no, here anymore.
It's gonna be house and everything in the container, all right? It's gonna be everything set up. All you got to do is bring the money. I told you.
Benzo, please try and help me. You know that I have more intact love for my girl. Right now, I don't have a lot of money.
But if you don't have money, how are you going to open the container? Because listen, it's a container, right? And it comes with everything. She's going to have a mini house and a mini kitchen and a car with her work. It's going to be easy for her.
I know.
Everything in the container.
Then I said, try and reduce the price. Because, Benzo, you are my brother. You have to wear my shoe. You know.
How much do you have right now?
You know into my pocket.
How much you have?
Right now, I have 1,000 Ghana.
No, it's not good. No, make it 1,500.
Come on. Listen to me. Benzo.
Like 1,000, no, 1,500.
I'm not Kenya. Please, help me, okay? Try and help me. Because, believe me, when everything succeeds, I'll help you.
You know, I'm only doing this because you're my brother. You understand, right?
I know.
Because it's not easy to give somebody a container that comes with everything in life, you know? Just a container. All she got to do is open and enter.
I know.
Give me the money.
Benzo.
Do I have to count the money?
Oh, no problem. You can count. You can count.
All right. You know what? So what's going to happen is that you're going to make your girl call me, right?
Okay.
She got to call me. She come over. She don't got to do nothing. Okay. The moment I open the container, she's going to get everything she wants.
Okay.
All right? Clothes, cars, everything.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you. I like that girl.
Yeah. I'll make sure she's fine. All right?
Yeah. Do everything for me.
Because of you, I'll do it for you.
Thank you.
Let her call me, all right?
Champion. Yes. Me nam ni buroni adele. Me gewe. Me mana who say yes.
La hustle, yes alawo, eh. La hustle, yes alawo. La hustle, yes alawo, eh. La hustle, yes alawo. I saw them cross again in the chairman. Girl sugar daddy fear now, oh, your tenant. My major, Papa, or Bimbo, me or no, here anymore. Hey, Sikaya Bonnie Sankwana, make one here in your beer. Sikaya Chana Sankwana, make one here in your beer. Papa, Bimbo, me or no, Yemote, my major, Papa, or Bimbo, me or no, here anymore. Your beer. Kamipo, semenyo beya. Menso me po, so me see cancel to me downfall. The pre-couple be as my sweater me so. La hustle.
Yeah, Mr. Benzo, I think your documents are good. I mean, we're good to go. Yeah, and but the only problem is that your name is on the your name is not on the company sheet.
We already spoke about this. Me catch us here, me often the company is for him. But you see, we started the building. It drew half no way. What I say, and I just want to finish it. That's why I'm coming for the loan. But you see, going to go and change the name and all that, it's a lot of stress. You understand? This is my company as well.
Baby, I've started the processing and arrangement. Yes. But Udine any other a problem.
This shouldn't be difficult for you. I mean, something small. You know what? You just try and process it for me, understand? When you finish, I'll find something and give it to you, okay? I will give you envelope.
No. Talk like a businessman. You give me envelope, say? No. Can be, say something convincing now. Mama, Bibi, envelope. This is
you know what? I'll give you 5%. You don't want 5%?
Mr. Benzo, please.
But I'm coming for loan of 4 billion. I'm giving 5%. You don't want?
Mr. Benzo, do you know the implication of what I'm about to do?
Oh, but 5% is enough for the implications of what you're about to do.
Look, 5% there, it's an insult.
Let's not drag it.
No.
I don't want to insult you. So 10% is...
It's okay. Yeah, 20%. 20%, I mean, because there are so many people I would have.
You want me to give you 20% out of that money?
One say we know, say me convince amount for as to the reason why your name is on the document. So what else here?
You no problem. When you how many days would you take it to finish this thing?
2 days.
2 days.
2 days, yeah.
But you pay you see can family to check
all right. So 20%.
Whatever, just take yours and give me, please. 2 days.
2 days, yeah.
I'm trusting you.
Don't you trust me anymore?
I do.
2 right, days. So
okay.
2 days.
All right, boss.
Hello. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Good afternoon, please. This is KOFAS. Yes. We sent you our CV online. Director, please. We are not done, please. We are almost done. This is the processing, yes. See, if you get money, I will get bodyguard. I'm telling you.
Bonjour.
Oh, sir.
Is everything okay?
Everything is now okay. I mean, I don't understand Ghana Bank. I just want to do a transaction of $4 million and it's going to take me 2 days. How? I mean, it was Fargo in America. It just take me a minute and I'm done. God damn it, I can't deal with these people. Oh, Lord. This is normal here?
Yes.
It's normal? I cannot believe y'all.
Today, why?
I wanted to ask you something, right? I want to send somebody some money, but I don't have no cities. I don't know if you can give me some money. I'm going to sort you out.
If you finish.
You're going to give me?
I'll sort you.
Oh, my God. You're such a good man. You're like an angel. You know that, right?
Yes, I love.
The man was provoking us. That is why we left.
What you say, it makes sense. You know, it makes sense.
Anyway, guys. My name is Benzo. I'm from the United States of America. I work with Mayweather. I'm his marketing manager, right? I just came down to do one or two businesses.
Who?
They won't touch me. Mayweather, that's my boy. So I don't know what's going on with you guys, but I'm interested to invest in your business. You say software, right?
Yeah, software.
Right.
Like we are almost.
Hey!
We want someone to help.
Sorry.
Beje de se Benzo. E the company name no. Any company documents akwakoji no. And then me dressing ya me kwa adwuma. And a company be frame me say.
Company be no.
Was he about beji loan? Was he BB financial? Was he BB financial service?
You think I'm afraid you?
You know I'm coming from the United States of America.
America?
I'm from America.
America, my
I'm gonna pop you down right now.
Hey,
you know.
Pop me. Master from Sikama me house you over pump me. Me kabibia. From Sikama me.
Just leave me.
Yes, I love.